I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without anyone know. Open Instagram on your phone. Click the top right corner. Type Hide Story and Live. Click this. Then select which account you want to hide from your story. After that, you try to upload a story. Post the story you want. Click your story. Wait until the upload is complete. If so, press More at the bottom right, then press Highlight. Give your highlight a title and add. Congratulations, you have successfully added a highlight without anyone knowing.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.